Hey there! So, let's tackle this interesting problem we've encountered. The issue at hand revolves around extracting specific text file names from a directory structure using bash. When attempting to do so with a certain sed command, we faced a specific difficulty with the output received. The goal here is to obtain the file names from paths within a specific directory, but encountered a hiccup along the way. Now let's delve into how we can work around this hiccup and arrive at the desired result. Now, onto the solution provided. The key to resolving the problem lies in utilizing a combination of tr and sed commands. By breaking down the input string into individual lines with tr, and then manipulating those lines with a tailored sed expression, we can effectively extract the desired file names. The sed command employed here specifically targets the file paths while ensuring the output captures only the file names without the .txt extension. By following this approach, we can successfully obtain the correct file names dir _abc and myfile as intended. To wrap things up, we successfully navigated through the initial problem of extracting file names from a complex directory structure in bash. By implementing a clever combination of tr and sed commands, we overcame the initial challenge and obtained the precise output we sought. Remember, when faced with intricate tasks in bash, creative solutions like this can often pave the way to success. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and drop a comment down below. Until next time, happy coding!